On the last video I mentioned I'd probably just do one more time-lapse video on the garage build, but you know, since it's going to take a few more weeks and because I'm not going to have any other content, I'll just probably put out a few update videos every time I get something done, and in this case we'll do the foundation. So I'll go ahead and put out a short video for each phase. This is the foundation, the prepping and the pouring of it, so enjoy. Okay, first step in the foundation is done. 1 week behind, but we got it done. So we have our pre-pour, we got the substrate in, the framing, and again, this is just a 4 to 5 inch slab with at least a 12-inch thickened edge. And we've got the asphalt cut out. And you can see that this is going to be somewhat of an apron right there. So where that rebar ends is actually the end of the foundation, or the slab for the garage, where that rebar goes across. That's the garage. This is going to be an apron that's going to slope down into the asphalt. It's about 30 feet right there with about a about a 3-foot apron. So that's it. I'm concerned that my electrical's a little too far, a little too close to the wall, because I think because of the wall height, this has to be a 2x6 sill and studs, but that's probably fine either way. I'll let the general contractor know, see if he's concerned about it. Yep, so there it is. Not much of a driveway left after that though. So definitely going to have to make this, the more asphalt, make that driveway wider right there. And we have our foundation slab. I like how they did the sill plate. So if you notice, it's a 6-inch sill plate because I'll be having a 2x6 walls. And notice that it slopes downward. The slab slopes downward for runoff, but the sill is built up all the way around, and they got the pre-done bolts for the actual 2x6 sill plate. And then you got the ramp and the stress seams. So yeah, it definitely, our driveway's a little bit low, so we had to have that apron, that ramp put in. You got the 12-foot opening for the door, and my electrical is coming up nice and straight, and it'll be perfect. We'll have to notch the sill out a little bit, but it'll perfectly come up inside the wall, so I can do my panel in the wall. So that'll be nice. Just that worked out well. Yep, so there it is. Next step is the framing.